Behind the design, vertical paw. This client needed a custom orthotic to provide basic support for a vertical or relatively neutral foot. They wanted to apply the majority of their support at the midfoot and just stabilize the rear foot without a dominant orthotic reaction force direction. The aim of this orthotic was to provide support through the midfoot. They used the Dollar Custom Orthotic Service. They selected the vertical paw position within digital corrections on the Dollar detailed prescription form. Key features of this selection include: it keeps the intrinsic heel shape equal, both medial and laterally, therefore it doesn't apply a dominant orthotic reaction force using the heel shape of the orthotic. It keeps the medial arch height as captured and the lateral arch height as captured. It also displays the forefoot to rear foot relationship as captured in the cast or scan. Ortho tip. Features of a vertical paw. It is by far the most popular paw position requested at our lab. It allows the application of prescription variables from a standardized position. You can then apply rear foot prescription with rear foot posts and heel skives. Apply midfoot prescription with arch fills, flares, flanges, contour, and high position. And apply forefoot prescription with forefoot to rear foot balancing or intrinsic forefoot posts.